Meet Jake. He's trading in his truck, confident about getting top dollar, until, "Sir, these screen scratches. That's going to cost you. We'll need to deduct $800 for replacement." Jake's heart sinks. Right next to Jake, another customer is trading in the exact same truck model. The difference? Their screen is flawless, protected since day one. Their trade-in offer? $800 more than Jake's. The reality check. Don't let scratches cost you like they did Jake. Protect your vehicle's value with premium screen protection. Covers existing scratches and prevents new ones. Reduces fingerprints for a cleaner look. Precision cut for a perfect, vehicle-specific fit. Choose your finish. Anti-glare for daytime driving or crystal clear HD for that showroom shine. Think about it. A $50 screen protector could save you from losing up to $800 on your trade-in. That's a 1,600% return on investment. Smart, simple, and affordable. Plus, it's easy to install yourself. Protect your screen today and keep your car's value tomorrow.